welcome back. I have a very exciting unboxing for you guys today. I wanted to share it with you because for those of you that have been following me for a while, you will know that I have been looking for this thing, this particular item, for absolutely ages. Before I get started, I just want to say, if you guys don't follow me, please go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. It would absolutely mean a lot for me, and I would really appreciate the support. So there's really actually like no reason for me to have purchased this. Like recently, just to give you guys a bit of an update on the current situation, in Sydney, the lockdown is in full force. The government has actually announced yesterday that it would be applied across all of New South Wales, so not just Greater Sydney, but across the entire state. We're getting hundreds and hundreds of cases every single day, and so the situation is definitely not getting any better. I have absolutely no reason to have purchased these because I'm not going anywhere, but at the moment there are just massive sales happening, so we're talking like 80% off on Net-a-Porter, Matches Fashion, Farfetch, etc. And then they're like, you know, this is the final clearance, you're gonna get an extra 20% off or an extra 10% off on already reduced items. So even though there is no real reason for me to be buying clothes or shoes or handbags or anything, I'm still kind of, I suppose in a way, making an investment because this is something that I'm going to be wearing or I'm going to be using once the lockdowns are over. And also given that this is something, like I said before, that I've been looking for so long. We're talking like maybe like almost more than a year. I think just over a year I have been looking for this particular item for so long, and so I thought, you know, why not? Let's just take the plunge and do it. It just makes me really happy that I can share this experience with you guys. So let's get started. Okay, you guys. So what I purchased is just one item in this big box here. You can see it's already been opened. That's because I've had to actually check the size is all right and I don't want to return it or anything. Yes, I can confirm that I have rechecked it. I've tried it on, it fits me really well, and I have no intentions of returning it. So the returns pro formas, you know, the forms that you fill out when you want to return it, I definitely don't need that. So in this big brown box, I have the Stuart Weitzman box. So anyone that knows Stuart Weitzman will know that these are shoes. I absolutely love their shoes. I have about 3 pairs of Stuart Weitzman already. Their shoes are durable, they're comfortable, and they look good. Their silhouettes are always fantastic. Recently, you might have seen that I, in a couple of videos back, I unboxed the Isabel Marant boots. Just a little care card. So yes, you would have seen that I unboxed the Isabel Marant boots and they were not fantastic. When I put them on, the almond toe, I suppose that you can call it, was really bulky and wide, and so the silhouette of the shoes was not great. I had to return them. I just couldn't keep them. You could see like my little pinky toe poking out, so it was really, really bad. The thing is, I think even if my little pinky toe hadn't been poking out, creating like a weird bump on the shoe, the actual shape of the shoe was just really not that great, so I was not impressed with it. The silhouette was not great, and so I didn't want to keep it. These, however, I have seen them and I love them. Stuart Weitzman as a brand generally has really good silhouettes as shoes, and I think that's kind of part of the reason why they do so well as a brand. Dust bag for your shoes, and I am so excited to reveal my next pair of Stuart Weitzman boots, and they are these black suede boots called the, oh, what are they called? The Gianella? Yes, they're called the Gianella. I'll put the name up on the screen, and these are amazing. So I'm just going to keep the other one in there because I don't really need to grab both out just yet. But basically these shoes are black suede with, amazingly, instead of a leather sole, it's rubber sole. So one of the things that I always do with my shoes, whether they're Louboutins or Dior or Gucci, whatever brand they are, if they have a leather sole, I will always go to the cobbler and I will have them slice off the sole and put a rubber one on it. Because the reason for that, it adds, what's the word, stickiness, like it gives me security when I'm walking, because with leather soles, they're incredibly slippery. And also the other thing is when you're walking on like footpaths with concrete or pebbles or little rocks or whatever, if you have leather soles, it actually like damages the sole. So the rubber soles are actually really good. So I actually prefer that. This is, like I said, suede. It goes up right just above your ankles. And this is I think it's a 6 or 7 centimeter heel. So it is not a huge height. It's not a really like big height, but it's perfect for basically every occasion. These are not obviously that exciting, but to me, I think these are so beautiful because I can literally wear these anywhere. I can wear these with a casual outfit, I can wear these to work, and I fully intend to be wearing these to work. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to give you guys 2 kind of like try-ons, and so that way you can get an idea of the silhouette. And if you're interested as well, you should totally go and buy these, you know, in case you like how they look. Absolutely fantastic. When you look at them like kind of in person, the silhouette is just amazing. But the thing is, the lesson I learned with the Isabel Marant shoes is you can look at photos, you can look at videos like this even, and the silhouettes will look a certain way and they might look good, but it totally changes once it's on your feet. So yes, hopefully the mod shots will help you guys kind of think about whether or not you want to get a pair of these as well. So with these shoes, like I said, the first thing that I would wear these with is something really casual. I'm actually going to be wearing this with the outfit in this video, which you can see here. It is this ribbed top with an open shoulders. I got this on sale recently as well. This top was fantastic. I think I got it for like $25 from an Australian brand called Oxford. They're really good. I love supporting local brands. So yes, if you guys want to check it out, go to their website. They're having like a 70% off sale or something. Really good. They have some really nice stuff and their quality is amazing. One of their trench coats actually I've had for like 10 years. Yeah, so that's the top, and then I matched it with my black Saint Laurent jeans with the starry print on them. Really, really fantastic. Very chic, very sleek. And then yes, with the boots kind of at the bottom, and you can see it just makes the whole outfit really simple. And I would pair this with my Chanel reissue bag, the unicorn, because I think it's just a really chic look, and having a shoulder bag slung over you like that I think is just absolutely really kind of classy, and it just looks really cute. So then this next outfit is for work. So this is actually an outfit that I would genuinely wear into the office. This is something that I wore into the office maybe not 3-4 months ago, you know, into the office, and I work as a lawyer for those that don't know. So yes, this is something I genuinely would wear into a law firm working as a lawyer. So what I also want to do is kind of encourage people to be more themselves, you know, be more open, be more diverse, especially in companies, and I want businesses to be more open-minded. So this outfit, as you can see, is just a simple dress shirt, a business shirt, and I have just straight leg pants from Zara actually, so it's actually not something like designer, it's just really simple. And then I have for work bag, I've got my Birkin, because I think that the Birkin can fit you know, a lunchbox. It can also fit a lot of books and diaries. I can also slip like an iPad in there, so it's really got good space. you know, or any kind of tote bag or briefcase as well. You can totally work with this. And as you can see, the shoes work. Doesn't matter whether you want to go casual, a lunch with friends, or if you want to go into the office, these shoes will do amazing things for your outfits. It'll just make everything look really good. And it goes with everything. That's one of the reasons why I got it in black. Yeah, like having it in black, I know it's like, oh my god, you know, it could have gone for a pop of color, you know, maybe like a red suede or like a blue navy. Oh my god, that'll be beautiful. I have a pair of navy suede boots from Hermes, and they're fantastic. So I mean, I have lots of black boots already. Like when I got this, actually, my friend Michelle, she was like, oh, you know, not another pair of black boots. You have like 6 pairs. And it's like, yes, I do, but they're all for different occasions and they're all kind of like for different things. But this one is kind of like one where it's going to be really versatile, and it has a different look as well. I don't have black suede. I have black leather, patent leather. So it's like that shiny one. And I have, you know, knee-high boots, I have flats. I just don't have a good pair of ankle length black boots. And in the suede as well, it gives the black a deep, rich black. With black leather, it kind of reflects the light, and so it kind of has a sheen, and it's not like a deep jet black. This is like just perfect in every sense. So I'm so happy with this purchase. And that's pretty much it, guys. And yeah, if you have any questions, you know, please let me know in the comments below. I am also working on a few things as well, but I just wanted to share this unboxing experience with you guys because I think, you know, with lockdown, I'm gonna be honest, there's really not that much for me to film. There's not much for me to talk about. So if you guys have any requests for videos or content ideas, please put them down in the comments below. I love kind of having a chat. I love, you know, connecting with you guys. That's actually half the fun of the job. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye.